Okay guys, actually we're here at Greenbelt. Tatry lang namin yung what do you call this? BYD tank, no? It's a 7-seater vehicle and ano siya, parang same lang siya nung Sea Lion kasi I tried the Sea Lion months ago. So andito si Kuya Richard and Kuya Jerome. Ayan. So they will help me or they will guide me habang nagte-test drive. Actually maluwag yung legroom niya. Tapos yung seat niya naka-adjust na yan kanina kung paano ako. So meron lagpas ng kamay mo. It's nice. Pati sa likod maluwag din. So I'm here at the third row. Medyo surprising. Maluwag din siya. Hindi ito matama yung tuhod ko. And meron akong headroom pa ng mga 2 to 3 inches. Nice.